Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to build quick sites with Astra theme in WordPress. So let's get started with the same. All you need to do is hover onto plugins and click on add new. Here in the search box, search for the keyword Astra. With various plugins over here, make sure that you successfully install and activate this plugin. Now let's configure this plugin by hovering onto appearance and clicking on starter templates. Here, click on build your website now. Select the builder from here. Here, you can search for various pre-made templates that you want to use. You can see this plugin provides us with various templates. Scroll over them and select any template you like. Here in the sidebar, you can configure various page related settings like adding the logo, setting style or the colors of the page. You can also select the fonts you like. Various other settings are also available here and are self-explanatory. You can play with those settings and make your website more attractive. Once done, click on continue. Now here click on submit and build my website. This will take a few minutes. You can see the success message here. Now you can simply click on the view your website link over here. So this is how you can build quick sites with Astra in WordPress. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.